Hello, today we will guide you through how to transfer data from QuickBooks to Xero. In this walkthrough, you'll see how to place your QuickBooks files into Xero so they're ready for use in your accounting workflow. We'll be working in Xero's demo company to illustrate the process, but the steps are the same in a live organization. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into Xero and that your QuickBooks export files are saved somewhere easy to find on your computer. Keeping your files organized by date, type, or accounting period will make selection and upload faster. Start on the Xero homepage. In the top left corner, look for the organization switcher. This shows which company you're currently viewing. If you see the sample organization, select it to continue in the demo company. If you're in a different company, click the organization name and switch to Demo Company Global. Confirming you're in the correct organization now helps prevent uploading documents to the wrong place. From the main navigation, open Files. Files is Xero's central storage area for source documents and imports. Using it keeps everything in one location, so your reports, bank files, and backup documents are easy to find and attach to transactions later. Inside Files, choose Upload to Files Inbox. This opens your computer's file picker. Browse to the folder where your QuickBooks files are stored. You can select one or multiple files in a single go, which is useful if you've organized exports by month or by report type. When you're ready, click Open to confirm. If your files are large, give them a moment to upload. You'll see progress as each file is added to the inbox. Once the upload completes, your documents appear in the file's inbox. From here, they're available to attach to bills, invoices, or transactions, and to support your subsequent import or reconciliation steps within Xero. If anything looks out of place, rename files right in Xero so they're easier to identify later, and consider using a consistent naming pattern that includes the period and file type. A few tips to keep your workflow smooth. Verify you have permission to upload files in the selected organization. Double check that the files match the accounting period you plan to work on. And, for large batches, upload in smaller groups to keep things moving quickly. It's also a good idea to retain a local backup of your original QuickBooks exports. That's it. You've successfully moved your QuickBooks data files into Xero using the Files inbox. Repeat the same upload process for any remaining datasets, and you'll be set for the next steps in your Xero workflow. Thanks for watching.